Bentley outside.
Outside the treat.
Yep, he'll come back in and you can give him his treat. But he's going potty, huh?
That.
A bunny.
Bunny. And that.
But bunny. Remember how the Easter bunny's gonna come soon, huh?
Okay, buffers.
The flowers. Well, Mama doesn't have any flowers right now. Maybe I'll get some on Easter, okay? And then you can smell the pretty flowers.
Oh.
Okay. Should we see if Bentley's ready?
Are you ready? I love
Bentley, you want a treat? Logie has it. Good job, buddy. Is it the garbage truck? Yeah, let's go. Go see. Honey, he's all gone. He'll be back a little bit later. Well, a different truck. Yeah, the recycle truck will come. And I'll leave the window open so you can come see him. Yeah, we don't touch that, huh? You can't get over this robe, you guys. I just think it's the cutest thing. Is that your lizard? Oops, say excuse me. Good job. Since I'm starting to get Logan's nice little cold, I decided that he could take a bath in Mama's tub. So he'll have a nice jetted bath. He's very excited about it. Are you excited? Are you raising yourself up? Look, are you excited? He will be. He loves this tub. That doesn't go in there. That goes in the garbage. No! It goes in the garbage. Yeah. So he's gonna take a nice little bath. I got a couple of toys in there, and then that should keep him entertained for a while. Is that the lawnmower we need? I don't think we need a big one like this. Oh, don't play with the water, Icky. Okay, let's go inside and look for lawnmowers.
Look, buddy. See you in the cart.
All right, so we think we figured out our barbecuer. Yep, we'll get a cart. I don't see the fun ones right now, buddy. Get in here. So I think we're gonna go with a 5-burner and like a side burner one, but we're not 100% yet. I'm gonna go look for a lawnmower. Say lawnmower. Lawnmower. Logie, did you find the one you like? Yeah, you like that lawnmower? Well, Dada's not gonna have this kind of lawnmower. He's gonna have a push mower.
Yeah, the mower grabs real fast.
Yeah, this mower grabs too fast. You can ride this kind of lawnmower at Papa's house. Wow. Wow. Looking at lawnmowers.
Yep.
Woo.
Same times.
Ooh. Did you fall down? You fell down, huh? You did, gotta be careful. Did you hear him? He fell down and goes, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Mama make a circle? What's Logan gonna make? A star or a triangle? Oh, you're making a snowman.
Making a snowman.
All right. There, Mama made a circle.
A circle.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Must destroy.
Okay.
You're really getting it into your jeans there.
I'm making upset.
What's that? You're still making a snowman? Look, here's a snowman.
I'm snowman. Making snowman.
All right. Are we playing Play-Doh?
I'm playing mama.
Oh, that is a good snowman.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Shake your legs.
That's great.
Shake my legs.
Good job. Lay down. Hold your legs.
Great.
Yep, you gotta lay down.
Leg.
Oh, we're not doing the back bend yet, baby. Hold your legs.
Hold your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Switch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, 7, 8, 9,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
10.
Good job. Shake them. Okay. Arms up. Push your belly up in the air.
Push it up. Okay.
Do you need some help, Logan? Okay. Put his hands down the correct way.
Okay. Put your cracker down. Put your hands down. Ready? Up.
And kick over.
Oh.
Oops, that was... Good job, Bubby.
I
Oh,
can't
he's
go back
concerned about his cracker. Good stretching.
Good job. Oh.
He wants you to do the back bend and kick up, Dada. Say, Dada, do the walkover.
Yeah, I can't quite do that, but
Logan's watching cat videos. Those scared cat kinds.
wow. Be nice.
Gentle with your hands, please. Enjoying some cat videos where the cats are getting scared.